how to download, install, sign up and use Signal. The first thing you need to do is unlock your phone. Once you've done that, if you're on Android, you want to locate the Google Play Store application. If you are an iPhone user using iOS, what you'll be looking for is the App Store. I'm currently on Android and therefore I'm going to be opening up the Google Play Store. As you can see, it's at the very bottom here of all my applications, so I'm just going to tap on that to open it. Once you've opened up either the Google Play Store or the App Store, you want to navigate to the very top of the application and tap on the white text box here. Type in the word Signal and then hit search. So I'm just going to type in Signal here and then I'm going to tap on the magnifying glass to search at the very bottom right hand corner here. And as you can see, if you look at the very top here, it says Signal Private Messenger. I'm just going to tap on it to get more information about the application. Again, it's called Signal Private Messenger. It's by the Signal Foundation. It's got a 4.5-star rating and 820k reviews at the current recording of this video. It's also got 50 million plus downloads. And it's currently the #1 top application in communication. To install Signal, all you need to do is tap on the green button here which says install. So I'm just going to do that now. I'll be back with you once Signal Private Messenger has been installed onto my device. Alright guys, as you can see, Signal has now been installed into my device. We have the ability to open up the application by just simply tapping on the green button here. I'm not going to do that immediately. I'm actually going to go back to the front page of my phone here. As you can see, if we look on the top left hand corner here, you can see that the Signal application is indeed installed onto my device. So now that we have downloaded and installed the application, it's time to sign up to Signal Messenger and start using it. So the first thing you need to do is to locate Signal and then tap on the application to open it. Once you've opened up Signal, you're greeted with the following. Take privacy with you. Be yourself in every message. You have the option to continue or to restore your previous backup. I don't have a previous backup of Signal to restore onto this device. If you do, simply tap on Restore Backup. So as a fresh user of Signal, you want to tap on the big blue button here which says Continue. Once you've done that, you'll get this little pop-up from Signal that says Signal needs access to your contacts in order to connect with friends, exchange messages, and make secure calls. You have the option to tap on Not Now, and then you have the option to tap on Continue to grab people from my contacts that also have signed up to Signal. So I'm just going to tap on Continue now. Once you've done that, you'll get another notification that says allow Signal to access your contacts. You have the option to deny or to allow. I'm going to tap on allow. You also get greeted with another notification that says allow Signal to make and manage phone calls. You have the option to allow or deny. I'm going to tap on allow. Next, you'll be asked to enter your phone number to get started. You will receive a verification code. Carrier rates may apply. By default, the correct country should already be selected for you. If it's not, tap on this arrow here and find your country and then tap on it to select it. On the bottom left hand corner here, the correct phone region code should then be displayed. All you need to do now is enter in your phone number into the text box opposite your country's phone region code. So I'm just going to do that now. Once you've entered in your phone number, hit next. Signal will then send a verification code to your mobile phone via an SMS text message, and then it will automatically populate the verification code into the Signal application. Once that's done, you'll be taken to the Set Up Your Profile page. Here you can enter your first name and your last name, which is optional. I'm going to do that now. Underneath it says your profile is end-to-end encrypted. Your profile and changes to it will be visible to your contacts when you initiate or accept new conversations and when you join new groups. Now, you don't actually need to enter in your first name. It also can be a username of your choice. Once you've set up your profile, all you need to do is hit next. You'll now be asked to create a Signal PIN. PINs keep information stored with Signal encrypted, so only you can access it. Your profile settings and contacts will restore when you reinstall. You won't need your PIN to open the app. PIN must be at least 4 digits. You also have the option to create an alphanumeric PIN. I'm going to continue with a 4-digit PIN real quick, so I'm just going to pick one here and enter it in. Once you've entered your 4-digit PIN, all you need to do is tap on the next button. You'll now need to confirm your PIN once again, so Signal says re-enter your PIN. Once you've re-entered your PIN, hit next. Signal will then create your PIN. In just a few more moments, you'll have created your Signal profile. Congratulations guys, you have successfully signed up to Signal. Now to start using Signal, it's fairly easy. So to message a contact that is also using Signal, all you need to do is tap on the pencil icon here. Once you've done that, you should be able to see all your contacts which have Signal installed, and you'll be able to message them immediately. So for demonstration purposes and not to disturb any of my contacts, I'm just going to tap on Note to Self here, which is exactly the same as messaging someone else. However, you are actually messaging yourself. So everything you see here will be similar if you actually message one of your contacts. So I'm just going to simply type a message for myself here. I'm just going to say hi. And then to send this message, all you need to do is tap on the arrow pointed to the right with a padlock symbol attached to it. And once you've done that, your message has been successfully sent. Now to go back to the front page of Signal, all you need to do is tap on the arrow at the top left-hand corner here. And now you're ready to message someone else, view your messages, create a group chat, or invite friends. And at the very top right-hand corner here, the 3 vertical dot icon, you have more further options, such as again creating a new group, marking all read, inviting friends again, or going into your settings to do some further customization to the Signal application. On the top left hand corner here, you should see your profile icon. By simply tapping on it, you have the ability to quickly access your Signal profile and customize your Signal profile appropriately. Alright guys, that pretty much concludes the video on how to download, install, sign up and use Signal. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.